For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9. Robotics company Boston announces the sale of its four-legged dog robot named Spot. The Boston Dynamics quoted the price of the robots with $75,000, that is approximately 57 lakh rupees online. The agile robots can walk, climb stairs and observe their surroundings with cameras and other sensors. But these robots are on sale with certain conditions. People who are willing to buy online must agree not to arm them or internationally use them as weapons. The company's vice president, Michael Perry, released a statement about the four-legged robot.
The key goal for us is to make sure people trust robots. Somebody wanted to use Spot for a haunted house and we said no to that. It frames the robot in a negative context.
If the customers violate the conditions, the company can nullify its warranty. However, these robots cannot be used at home as they might prove to be hazardous. Boston Dynamics have been developing dexterous robots since decades. The robotic company is majorly funded by military. Boston had earlier announced the mass production of Spot last year. It had leased more than 150 robots to selective customers for monitoring. Recently, the Spot robot was deployed in public parks as a pilot project. The robot was pre-recorded with messages to alert people to maintain social distance at parks. The Boston robots were also used for COVID-19 patients at a Boston hospital. The doctors used to evaluate the patient's result from afar with the help of these robots. As per Boston Dynamics company, the robots are meant for commercial and industrial usage. These robots can only be purchased in the United States.